Hello guys, welcome to the Topper Hub. In today's lecture, we are going to solve exercise 1.1 question number 3. Convert the following angles in degrees. Our first example is 7 pi upon 12 radian. We know that to convert radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply given angle into 180 upon pi. So, given angle is 7 pi upon 12 radian, which is equals to 7 pi upon 12 into 180 upon pi. This pi get cancelled. Six 2s are 12. Here 6 3s are 18. 600. Again divide. 2 1s are 2. 2 15s are 30, which is equals to this 7 as it is into this 1 5 15 as it is. 15 7s are 105 degree. हा मिळाला आपल्याला डिग्री मध्ये. And therefore 7 pi upon 12 radian, which is equals to 105 degree. Next example आपण बघणार आहोत -5 pi upon 3 radian. We know that to convert radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply the given angle by 180 upon pi, and therefore this minus 5 pi upon 3 radian, which is equals to minus 5 pi upon 3 into 180 upon pi, which is equals to this pi get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 300, and minus 5 into 60, which is equals to minus 300 degree. So therefore minus 5 pi upon 3 radian, which is equals to minus 300 degree. Next example आपण बघणार आहोत 5 radian. We know that to convert radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply given angle by 180 upon pi. हा मिळतो आपल्याला डिग्री मध्ये. And therefore 5 radian, which is equals to 5 into 180 upon pi degree, and which is equals to 18 5s are 90, 900 upon pi degree, and therefore 5 radian is equals to 900 upon pi degree. Next example आपण बघूया 11 pi upon 18 radian. We know that to convert radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply given angle by 180 upon pi. And therefore 11 upon 18 pi radian, which is equals to 11 pi upon 18 into 180 upon pi. This pi get cancelled. 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are 180, and 11 into 10, which is equals to 110 degree, and therefore 11 pi upon 18 radian, which is equals to 110 degree. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आपण बघतोय. -1/4 radian. We know that to convert radian measure into degree measure, we have to multiply given angle by 180 upon pi, and therefore -1/4 radian, which is equals to -1/4 into 180 upon pi. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 2 carry, here is 2 0 20, so 4 fives are 20, and therefore -1 into 45, -45 upon pi degree, and therefore -1/4 radian, which is equals to -45 upon pi degree. इथे आपलं थर्ड एक्झाम्पल कव्हर होत आहे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण रिमेनिंग एक्झाम्पल्स बघूयात. तुम्ही जर अजून चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर प्लीज सबस्क्राईब करा. तुम्हाला जर व्हिडिओ आवडत असतील तर लाईक करा आणि तुमच्या फ्रेंड्ससोबत शेअर करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.